Most Jaguar key fobs have a seam or release button on the side. Refer to your owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as post-2022 models may require pressing two buttons simultaneously. Press the release mechanism and gently pry apart the halves using your thumbnail or a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Inside, the CR2032 battery is held by a metal clip. Use a non-metal tool to pop the old battery out without touching the positive terminal, as oils from your skin can corrode the contacts. Take a new CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. Ensure the positive side faces up when inserting it into the fob. Snap the new battery into place securely. Close the case until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The fob should respond with beeps or LED flashes. If needed, sync the fob with the vehicle via the Jaguar In Control app or by inserting it into the ignition. Remember to recycle the old battery.